Hi, welcome to a market update for September 2025 for Loudoun County. We'll start with the whole county and then break up Ashburn into 20147 and 20148.
We had 449 new listings in the entire county in August, which is down 10.4% month over month and down 2.6% year over year.
We had 475 properties go under contract, which is down 2.5% month over month, but up 15% year over year.
520 properties closed, which is up 1% month over month, also up 13.3% year over year.
The median sold price was $764,000, which is up 0.9% month over month and up 2.6% year over year.
Average days on market for the county was 23.
And the average sold to original list price was 98.5%. So
Still getting a little under
the asking price.
Next, we'll review 20147 in Ashburn. In Ashburn 20147 zip code, we had 71 new listings in August, which is down 24.5% month over month and down 2.7% year over year.
We had 86 properties go under contract, which is up 1.2% month over month and up 43.3% year over year.
102 properties closed, which is up 15.9% month over month and also up 45.7% year over year.
The median sold price is $749,817, which is up 10.7% month over month and also up 13.9% year over year.
Average days on market was 18.
And the average sold to original list price ratio was 99.3%. So a little better than the county overall. Next, we'll go over 20148 in Ashburn.
For Ashburn 20148, we had 82 new listings in August, which is down 6.8% month over month and down 6.8% year over year.
78 properties went under contract, which is up 41.8% month over month and also up 39.3% year over year.
75 properties closed, which is down 12.8% month over month and down 12.8% year over year.
The median sold price is $845,800, which is up 3% month over month and up 0.6% year over year.
Average days on market was 25.
The average sold to original list price ratio was 98.2%. So again, getting a little
Still
under.
A little under.
Yes. We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County. Reach out to us. We can help you sell your home.